No. Oh, okay, fine. Once. All right.
First bite. What'd you think?
More seasoning.
Whoa. Yeah, is that good?
More seasoning. Want some? I'll go get another spoon.
Do you want more?
This one here. Dad?
Here, hold on. You gotta wait until she's ready.
Take it slow and steady, okay?
Hold on.
But she's still chewing. Ashna, she's still chewing.
Hey, buddy.
Okay. Yeah.
Can I help you here? Look, see how this is way up there? We want it down there, otherwise you're gonna choke her. You ready? Here, who's gonna actually? There.
Good baby.
She's so confused. Remember, give her a chance to chew it all the way. Give her some time. You know, we don't want her to choke or anything. That would be bad.
No, don't. She's gonna touch it.
Yummy.
Yum.
Is that good?
Here. Open.
Open, baby.
2 spoons flying at me.
How about we use 1 spoon, bud? Should we use your spoon?
Is it tart for her, I wonder?
Yeah.
Tartness of the apples? I don't know.
Here.
Tartness from the apples. It's green
Tell
apples.
me. Try it.
It's just fruit smush. It's the same as the squeezies that you eat.
I'm not gonna eat it. Honey?
Oh, yeah. I think it is a little sour for her. Oh, let her eat it. Oh.
Okay.
Give her a second, Ashna. Give her a
Your
second.
eyes hurt.
Little much there, Schmucky?
Brony?
She's still going for it. Yeah, maybe we can call it maybe a bite or 2 more, and then that should be about it.
Oh, wait, stop. Not the fingers.
That's a finger.
Hey, would you stop? You don't have anything on your thing.
It's a little bit, but
Ashna?
take it easy.
Good. You're gonna fall on me.
Yeah, I don't want you to be careful. Oh.
Eat, open.
Ashna, it's hard for her to. If you're moving it all around, is it easy for her to get it or not?
Open.
There you go. Oh, I think you have to kind of scoop it into her mouth.
She doesn't have anything on there.
There's a little bit on there.
Yeah, but she can't really get it.
Oh, careful, careful.
Don't put it so far in her mouth.
Careful.
Look. This far. Watch.
Let her get it, basically, yeah.
Okay, she's got some now.
Oh, it's tart. It's tart, huh, baby?
Maybe different ones to swing.
I think maybe she's done.
I think she's good too. Yeah.
No, I think she wants a different one.
Well,
I think she's good.
We'll try
Here.
a different one tonight.
Yeah, we'll do. Well, we can do it little by little. Here.
Tell us if it's tart. Your sister just was eating it. Why don't you try some? Tell us if it's tart.
Yeah, it could be. Here, taste it and see. It's squeezy, right? It's the same as how you eat squeezies, you know. Try it. It's apples and something. Apples and blueberries and stuff. Try it.
It's not blueberries.
It says it's blueberries on the front. Oh, it's gonna fall. Oh, and it fell. Can you pick that up, please? Alright. First time. Everybody turn to the camera and smile. Sonia, stop begging.
She wants more.
Nah, she's good for a while. Okay. Here. All right. Yummy, yummy. Give me a smile, baby. She's like, wait, what? No.
Take a